Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to buy XRP using Webull. In this video, we will take you through the process from setting up your account to making your first purchase of XRP. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just navigating through Webull, we've got you covered. First, if you haven't already, you need to download the Webull app or visit the Webull website to create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide your personal information and complete the verification process. Once your account is fully set up and verified, make sure to fund your account. You can link your bank account and transfer funds to your Webull account. After funding your account, open the Webull app or website. Use the search bar to find XRP by typing XRP or entering the full name Ripple. Once you find it, click on the XRP listing. This will take you to the asset page where you can view real-time prices, charts, and market information. To buy XRP, click on the Trade button located on the XRP asset page. You will have options to select the amount you wish to purchase. Choose between a market order or a limit order based on your trading preference. After selecting your order type and inputting the desired quantity, review the transaction details and confirm your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully purchased XRP on Webull. Don't forget to monitor your investment and do your research to stay informed about market trends. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Happy trading!